Okay guys, so this is my 12 volt, I don't know if you can read that, yeah. It's my 12 volt chain sharpener, Oregon chain sharpener. Of course made by our good friends in China. And the brushes are starting to smoke. So I'm trying to figure out, okay, how do you get this apart? I don't see any way to get it apart, but I'm going to try because I am so sick of stuff that you throw away that I'm going to give this a shot and see if I can fix it. Okay, so I couldn't find any videos on YouTube on how to repair this thing, so hopefully this is going to be one of those. Okay, so it's apart, so what you do once you get it loose is you just got to pull that switch out from the side, and there it is. And now I'll get looking at this motor and see if I can figure out why this is smoking and get it fixed. Okay, so once you have that apart, then the other side pops off pretty easily, and then you just pull your little clasp thing off the end there and pull the motor out. So now we'll try and figure out what the hell's going on with this motor. Okay, unfortunately, the sad conclusion here is that the windings are gone in this thing. And I cleaned it all up, and as much as I could, it's all sealed so you can't get inside. And blew it all out with compressed air, and it still smokes. So there is a part number there. So I'm going to see if I can find something using that part number, and if not, it's going to be another piece of junk going to the dump. So the motor's fried, but I was able to find one on eBay really cheap, delivered to my house for 14 bucks Canadian. So that's cheaper than buying a new sharpener, and it's one less thing in the dump. So that's what happened. Catch you later.